Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Now today we're going to continue another series of pockets. I have 3 pieces. I don't know how far we will get, but before I go any further, thank you to all my subscribers and especially the new ones. Welcome to the family. Thank you so much. Now let me bring the camera down and then I'm going to walk you through a couple of pockets and I'll start sewing one at a time depending on what we can finish today. Okay, so hold on. Okay, I'm back. This is pocket in with size seam, so it's all cut one piece, whether pant or skirt. You don't separate the pocket itself, it's all cut one piece, and this tends to waste a lot of fabric, okay, when you cut this type of pocket. And it's pocket in one with size seam, so I think I'll start with this today. And then this is the regular ones that we all know, the inseam pocket, and I'm going to sew it to the pieces, or you can also say hip pocket. Okay, and then we have inset pocket or front hip pocket, but this one, each pocket piece has 4 pieces for you to work with. Okay, comes with the lining and the fabric itself. You can also use the same fabric to do all this, or use the lining. So let me start with the easiest one, and then we'll continue and see how fast, I said how far we'll get today. So hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go back to the machine. Okay, I'm back. I don't know how I put it off. Okay, I'm gonna stitch from this end all the way up across the pocket edge, all around, come back to the pant or skirt itself, and then go back to the seam. Okay, so let's go. I think I put it off and then started all over again, but it's okay. And then I turn it around because I don't want to cut a thread and start all over again, so I just continue by turning it around. I'm doing it backwards. I think I took in too much of my seam. Okay, so this is it, and then I had to serge it all around. So this will be the center front or center back of the skirt, and this is how it goes. And then I had to serge it first and clip it to one side and move the pocket to the front. So this one is done. Oh, let me serge this one. I wanted to serge this one. I'll be right back. I want to serge it. I'm back. This hip pocket, you stitch right side to one side of the pant or skirt, and then you stitch half of the seam allowance, which is 5/8. You stitch half of it from one end to the other. Don't forget to back stitch. And there. So now you go press it towards the pocket, and then you put it together, and then you stitch the seam allowance 5/8 from this end to 1.5 to 2 inches, depending on what you're sewing, whether pant or skirt or whatever the pattern calls for. Okay, so I think we're gonna continue next week. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. We finished the pocket in one with side seam. Okay, that's the wrong side. You see, I snip one side and then set the side seam. So this is done. Okay, that's pocket in one with the side seam. That's this one. Now, inseam pocket will continue next week. I just did the first part. Okay, so we'll continue next week. Now, let me bring the camera up. I don't know what I did. I keep pressing it off and off and off. I don't know why. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Thanks. See ya.